This is DOMINA Scanner, one single tool to sift through the whole market. The first tab is Descriptive, and it's where you decide where to look. Asset type, continent, country, sector, and industry. For example, today we narrow it down to the United States. Then price structure, returns, volatility, the classic filters, and a proprietary part of the platform you won't find elsewhere, the trading range, the sideways phase. We can look for stocks that have just left the trading range with a strong breakout and say how long ago, 10 days, 15 days. The filter adjusts as you like. It's the moment a stock changes phase and the scanner puts it in front of you. And where price comes from, a drop, then a base, then a rise, or a rise, a pause, and off again. Two different stories, and you can pick one. Let's take this one. And finally, where the price is now, outside the band, it hasn't come back in yet. Run the scan. In a few seconds, the system goes through every US stock, and here's the list of those matching our criteria, ready to be explored. We can add columns to judge them better with the data that matters to us. Market cap, for instance. Set it like this, sort, and the big names rise to the top of the list. To review the candidates one by one, use the split screen. Click a stock, and the chart beside it shows you exactly what the scanner saw, no searching around. MRK, for example, broke out 11 days ago, a breakout from the range. In Wyckoff's language, the break of a structure that had held for a long time. To see it right on the chart, add the Range Detector indicator. And there it is. It draws the range it recognized and the breakout that followed without you tracing a single line by hand. The analysis is already done for you. Let's keep scrolling through the stocks one after another. Here, this was the range, this is the breakout, and the stock is still outside it. The move is underway, it hasn't come back in. Every click is an analysis already made. This, instead, is the macro range, the big one. But the scanner spotted the break of this smaller one 5 bars ago. That's the one that matters now. We can also look for stocks that broke out just now, today. Here's the breakout bar. From here you can start your assessment while the move is still young. Another example, this is the breakout bar and today is the very next day. You're right there at the start of the move. Back to the scanner. There are moving averages with all the crossovers you care about on any time frame. And then Japanese candlesticks, each pattern drawn out one by one, so you recognize them at a glance. One click to use one as a parameter. For example, I want a candle on the weekly formed within the last bar, and I judge it at the close. Run the scan. It goes through the whole market and pulls out only the stocks that formed it. Here, for example, a hammer, found by the scanner automatically. Clear wipes everything and you start again. Then trend, momentum oscillators, and WPI, our proprietary indicator. It works like this. Pick improving, the quadrant of stocks that are getting better, set the close and run the scan. It takes everything inside the improving quadrant, the one at the top left, the stocks accelerating against the market. Back to the scanner. These are the assets selected, ready to be looked at one by one, from quadrant to list in one step. There's also the trend red with the zigzag, short and long term, across the various time frames so you know which way the tide is running. Smart money, here we enter the territory of the big players. The whole dark pool, with dicks, jacks, insider buying, to see where the money that matters is moving. And fundamentals, a selection that will keep growing over time. Seasonality, pattern direction, average return, win rate. For example, let's look for a bullish pattern with average return above 8% and win rate above 80, moves that have repeated year after year. It's a complex selection, several filters at once. Not every asset passes it, and that's the point. These do positive, positive, a bullish candle, and on top of that, the seasonal return shown right here. To dig deeper, open the seasonality section, and the pattern found in that period appears on its own, already drawn over past years. Let me enlarge it so you can see it clearly, year by year. This is how we approach the markets. The scanner's strength is reaching every single part of the platform, from price to seasonality, from insiders to the news on the instrument, without leaving this screen. Every filter talks to the others. So you scan everything at once and get the full picture in a single sweep without opening 10 different tools. This is DOMINA, one unified platform to work all in one across the whole market. Thanks for watching. Visit tradingsuite.io.